My friends, I promise you this. Today, I'm going to share a meditation technique that will make it much easier for you to go deep into meditation. Meditation. We've all heard the word, but how many of us truly do it? Some people don't even realize what meditation can really do for their lives. They have no idea that meditation has the power to literally transform their entire existence. I've said this before, and I'll say it again. Even those who know about meditation often end up doing it at the wrong time or using the wrong method, and that's why they don't reach a true meditative state. So please, I'm asking you, from the heart, watch this video till the very end, because what I'm about to share can genuinely change your life. In this video, I'll break it all down. What is meditation really? What is the best time to meditate? How long should you meditate? How exactly should you do it? And what amazing benefits come from practicing it? You'll get all the answers right here, so don't skip a second of this. And if this video helps you in any way, please like it, comment, share it, and support this path of higher living. Let's begin. The path of meditation goes beyond logic and the restless mind. When you gain control over the mind, the higher self, your consciousness, awakens. And that's the core of meditation, a discipline that sharpens your focus and deepens your awareness. Meditation, at its essence, is the act of anchoring the mind into stillness. It's a state where your attention locks into one thing, and everything else fades away. Now that you understand what meditation truly is, let's talk about when to do it. Best time to meditate. I recommend 2 windows of time. Pick the one that suits your lifestyle best. Meditation is not effective at just any time of day. The most spiritually aligned time is from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Why? Because during this period, the angle between the Earth and the Sun reaches 60 degrees. This natural alignment energizes the pineal and crown glands in the brain, enhancing your ability to meditate deeply. According to ancient yogic wisdom, the absolute best time is between 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. This is when the life energy is most abundant on Earth. And meditating at this time lets you absorb that energy directly. That said, yes, you can meditate anytime in a 24-hour day. But keep in mind that each time of day brings different benefits, and different techniques can be more effective depending on the hour. The technique I'm sharing with you today is most powerful when practiced early in the morning, as early as you can wake up. How long should you meditate? Sure, in an ideal world, we could meditate 24 hours a day. But let's be honest, today's busy life doesn't allow that for most of us. So here's what I suggest. Start with just 10 to 30 minutes a day, and slowly, over 10 to 15 days, increase your meditation time. You can go beyond 30 minutes if you want. The more you meditate, the more peace you'll start to feel in your mind. It all comes down to one question. How peaceful do you want your mind to be? And I want to assure you, every single word I'm saying is based on truth. We don't create content just to chase views. Our goal is to preserve and spread the timeless wisdom of our ancient heritage. Now let's get to the heart of the video. How to meditate. First, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in any posture you find comfortable, but make sure your spine stays straight. Sit calmly in Sukhasana, easy pose. Interlock your fingers gently in your lap. When you sit cross-legged and connect your hands, it creates a stronger energy circuit within your body. Now, close your eyes. Don't chant a mantra. Don't try to hold any thoughts. Don't fight your mind. Just let your body relax completely. When the body relaxes, awareness shifts to a deeper space within. Understand this. The mind is a stream of thoughts. Thoughts will come, but you don't need to chase them. Let your awareness step back from the mind. Now, focus on your breath, not by controlling it, not by breathing in or out intentionally. Just observe it. Let it flow naturally. Breathing should happen on its own. Your only task is to stay aware of it. As you observe, you'll notice your breath starts to slow down. It becomes softer, shorter, lighter, and at some point, The breath becomes so subtle, you'll sense a radiant stillness between each inhale and exhale. In this state, breath disappears, thoughts fade away, and you remain. This is called the pure state, the essence of meditation. This state, universal energy begins to pour into you. The more you meditate, the more of this life force you'll receive. This is how the body becomes energized, filled with divine power. And that's the real meaning of meditation. By using this method, you can rise beyond your thoughts. When you truly master this practice, you'll no longer be controlled by joy or sorrow, praise or criticism, gain or loss. You'll experience things I can't even explain in this video. Those insights deserve their own time, which I'll share in future videos. If you believe in the values of this ancient path, if you want to grow spiritually and live a peaceful, wealthy, and balanced life, then please give this video a like. Share it with someone who needs peace. And follow this channel for more powerful techniques and wisdom. In our next video, I'll explain why your mind refuses to settle during meditation and the precautions you must take so that meditation becomes effortless. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Let this be the beginning of your transformation.